Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. We had an amazing trade guys today. We've been long on all the major against the dollar since the Asian session. We had a nice decent profit in London morning and the New York session. Let me share with you how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, if you look at the pretty straightforward in 4-hour chart, yesterday we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. As explained to my trader based on the price structure, you can see here the price broken. So we were expecting possibility of pullback. If we get a pullback short, if not, then we need a price break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we should be looking a long trade here. That's what exactly happened. And we had a nice beautiful long trade from since the Asian session and bank amazing profit today on Euro USD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market entries and exit. That's the more important part of it. And if you look at here, that's a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. So at the Asian session, this is the analysis I did as explained to my trader. Look for first possibility of pullback short around this level. And in intraday, this is the level as explained. If the price gonna respect, look for pullback. Otherwise, if the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're looking along. So if you look at here, the price broken exactly and pullback, and afterwards you can see such a nice beautiful long trade. Even at the London morning session, I updated that analysis. I explained matter. Keep looking at pullback. That's the first priority. Another pullback. Price nicely hit later on at this target. You can see here at this level. So after banking some profit, as explained, now look for another pullback at this level or any pullback. You can see it. You can see price develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, hit to the major resistance level, previous high in 4-hour. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Now you can see here, now we are looking this breakout. Let me explain to you what I'm exactly. So you can see here, we are looking this breakout. So price, if the price gonna break, that's the sign of long, or otherwise continuation short. So we'll see tomorrow, guys. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Beautiful trade, guys. We had it long trade at the Asian session and short at the New York session. All right, let's see in 4-hour. Pretty straightforward, exactly the more or less the same. We were expecting a pullback, which price refused, break and retest, give us the confirmation. Nice, beautiful long trade here. After this rejection, we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you the entries. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Pretty straightforward. So you can see here, since at the Asian session yesterday, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. You can see here, that was the trade, bank amazing profit. So at the Asian session, this is the pattern. Market developed the structure, looking for breakout. You can see the market broken after the breakout, price nicely developed pullback and nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. Even in the London morning session, as explained, my trader just keep looking at pullback, beautiful pullback, long trade here. Once the price develops a false breakout, that's the good sign for reversal. Amazing. And at the New York session, so pretty straightforward. You can see here we have impulsive, so this is the correction. And beautiful breakout, nicely hit to the profit target around the support level. We bank amazing profit on short on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, beautiful. Yesterday we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. 4-hour give us a pretty straightforward, that false breakout, that's the sign of reversal, but we need a valid technical entry. That's what did. Let me share with you guys, we had such a nice beautiful trades on dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at yesterday, we had this beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price reverse, we are constantly monitoring the price structure. We're looking this breakout, price nicely broken, beautiful hit to the previous low level, bank amazing profit. And after banking some profit, as explained, my trader look for another pullback around this level. We're only going to take a long when the price gonna break this level and retest. Otherwise, high probability short. You can see beautiful short trade here. Price nicely broken this wedge. Amazing trade. Nicely hit to the profit target. Bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time. That's the more interesting part of it. or if you're still struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market and the opportunities to get funded. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.